All I can say is, folks, I'm glad it's not my money going up in flames. Boom! There's £100. Boom! £200. This is going to be £300 one. Oosh! There's your Christmas presents gone. Watch. Boom!
Life's too short.
And so is their money. Look at it. Once you pop, you can't stop. Oh, they've gone. There we go. There's the grand finale. Pop, 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 pop. Oh no! And the poor